Hello everyone, welcome to the first ever video of Indian Kitchen Abroad. First of all, thank you for watching the video and let's see how to make Palak Paneer or Saag Paneer. You can buy paneer at any Indian grocery store or you can make it at home with just 20 minutes of work. You can give your own twist if you make it by yourself. Do you see that green and brown things in the paneer? That's what I'm talking about. Also, it's fresh and cheap. Start with making paneer by boiling 1.5 liters of milk. While that milk is on its way to boil, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, roll few mint leaves on top of each other and cut them into ribbons. Fancy name, chiffonade cut. Keep stirring the milk and when it just starts to boil, add the lemon juice in multiple batches. The lemon juice reacts with casein in the milk and it starts to clump together, eventually curdling the milk. When it starts to curdle, add cumin seeds, mint leaves and some crushed pepper if you like. When the milk looks like this, take it off the heat and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Drain the liquid into a bowl through the strainer and a cheesecloth. Run the paneer under cold water to get rid of sour taste from the lemon juice if there is any. Squeeze out the moisture from paneer and spread it evenly inside the cloth. Let it rest for 1 hour under some weight. I'm using a cutting board with a ball of water on top of it. While that is resting, let's prepare the spinach curry sauce. I was tired of switching the camera setup between cutting board and stove, so I prepared all the ingredients first. Roughly chop 3/4 of an onion, 2 tomatoes and 4 green chilies. Back to the stove. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds when the oil is hot. When they start to jump around, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a cinnamon stick. Saute these spices for few seconds and add onions. Also, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add the green chilies and some salt to sweat out the onions. Saute. When the onions become translucent, add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste made with equal parts of ginger and garlic. Saute until you get rid of the raw smell from ginger and garlic. Add turmeric, tomatoes, saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add a splash of water to homogenize the mixture and add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Saute. Add some water and let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes with occasional stirring. Let this mixture cool down and puree. Get rid of tomato seeds and other coarse spices by straining the mixture back into the same pan. Let it boil until the oil separates. While that is boiling, blanch 300 grams of spinach, few stalks of coriander and puree. Add the spinach puree to the curry sauce and let it cook. While that is cooking, let's take a look at paneer. Blot the excess moisture from paneer and let it rest in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. And then cut into bite-sized pieces for the curry. I'm saving these edge pieces for another recipe, so you can use these edges also in the curry. Also, with 1.5 liters of milk, that's about half a gallon, I got about 250 grams of paneer. So scale this recipe according to your requirement. I like to pan fry my paneer. This will give a nice color on the paneer and they don't break easily in that hot and thick spinach sauce. So fry the paneer for about 30 to 45 seconds on each side with a sprinkle of salt. You can skip the frying part if you want. Look at this paneer. They got nice color. They're juicy, they bounce back if I press them. It has got a nice texture. Back to the spinach. Add salt according to your taste, add coriander powder and chilli powder if necessary, and finish it off with a teaspoon of Garam Masala and a knob of butter. If you are looking for a thicker consistency, let it cook for some more time. Finally, it's time to serve. Add paneer pieces into your serving bowl and pour spinach sauce on top of it. Adding those 2 paneer pieces is my desperate attempt to highlight the color of paneer. Top it off with a tablespoon of heavy cream. Not the best presentation I could do, but it was 1 AM on a weekday. Time for a taste test. It came out better than I expected. Those fenugreek seeds gave a distinct taste in a good way, and paneer has that hint of mint flavor. I can also taste a bit of coriander from the stalks as well. Overall, it tastes delicious. It goes very well with anything, roti, rice or chapati. Now try this recipe and let me know your thoughts on this video. Also, if you don't have any spices I've used in this video, just skip them and try the recipe. Of course, the main ingredients are paneer and spinach. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be back with another recipe soon. Follow on Facebook and Instagram for behind the scenes.